Welcome, today I am Xiaomi 11T and I will show you how you can change always on display theme. So in my case I got my own picture. If you want to get it also, I will show you how you can get it. So at the first we have to open the settings, find always on display and the lock screen, select always on display, and if you want to get your own picture you have to click to the custom picture and then get picture from the gallery. And that's it. You can also pick different themes, like for example this one, and take a look. As you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.